Hi everyone, so I am back with another journal kit for you. I'm on a roll. Anyway, this is called Shabby by me because it's shabby and I made it. Anyway, no, that was the only thing I could think of. So it's 10 pages and it's shabby themed, and it's got a French blue tint to it as well. So it's called Shabby by me French blue journal kit. It's just journal pages. There isn't tags or anything, but you could double up the pages and make tags and pockets and everything out of it. That's generally what I do as well for a lot of kits that either I get to work with or I buy. I utilize them. Anyway, this will be over on my coffee shop. You can go check that out. So I'm just going to do a quick flip for you and you can see them. So that's obviously the kind of French blue part, and we've got lovely roses. We've got like a lace effect here as well, and I've printed mine with a border, but you can choose to not do that. And then we got this one and this one and this one. We had to have a butterfly, so that's that. We got half a butterfly there. And this one, the lace is covering the writing on that, so that's why it looks kind of like that. And then this one, or is it that way? Can't remember. No, it is that way. And then this one, that's actually like a portrait style, but you can have it that way as well in a page, obviously cutting it all down. So that is my 10 pages. Go check that out. I want to thank everyone for making purchases with the last couple of kits that I have brought out. I will put a link below to this kit, and also you can check out my other digital kits. You can check out my freebies, and today I have still got 25% off on all journals, so I will put that link below because you've got to use the link to get the 25% off. I've got a couple of things still there, so go check them out because midnight tonight UK time that will be gone. Okay, so yeah, any questions just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.